right, so this is it. That's it? Okay. All right, so when we start, you come over, help to set up. No? What do you mean no? Look at me. One arm. You have to help. Oh, okay. No problem. Walk away. There you go. Yeah, see you later. Don't worry. I take care of everything, okay? He's good, all right? Later on, you're going to look pretty funny with this board sticking up out of your... And we're live. Greetings. Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Another issue of a Slavsky video. Very good. Okay, today, you see, small accident. Very small accident. Partial separation of shoulder. Very painful. It's okay. We can still make a video. Make shoot video. Very good. Here we go. Today, I'm going to show you tips. Very good. I'll show you inexpensive shooting bench. Very good for those of you who are on a budget. Like a Slavsky. Broke. If you want to go to a beautiful woods, look, a beautiful woods, fall is in the air, and you don't have a money for bring a shooter bench to sit. Sit down, make a shoot. Very expensive. I don't have money for this. Look, what can I do in the woods with no money for a shooter bench? I make a improvise. Very smart, very good. I'll show you what to do to save our money, no spend a shooting bench. You already have one. What? Slavsky, I have a shooting bench? Yes, you have a shooting bench. I show. Wait right here. And we're back. I'm now going to set up. A shooting bench. What a shooting bench? Where? Where is shooting bench? Here is shooting bench. Oh, you say, Slavsky is an ironing board. Board for iron. Iron. Is it make a clothes look no wrinkle. Very good. How you make a shooting bench? Very simple. Look, even man with one arm, can make happen in the wood. Look. Oh, find the handle. Where is handle? And now the magic. Look at this. Look. You see? Shooting bench. Very nice. Very economic. Let's see. Look. Come here. Yeah. You see? Oh, okay. Imagine arm works. I don't know work. Imagine. It'll work. Very beautiful. Okay, you see? Make a nice, pretty. Right here, like this. Make a shoot. Bang, bang. Very good. Huh? Look. Over there. I see target. Oh, spot down. Very safe. Very flat. 30. Good for make a shoot. Okay. As you can imagine, this will probably be a shorter video today because I have it's a long story. I make a go in the shooting. So, very short video, helpful hint from Slavsky. Oh, what more could you ask for? Okay, we make a commercial break. I'll be right back. We wrap it up and on to the next video. Okay? Be right back. And we're out. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Okay. You happy? I put up by myself. Arm is like almost broke. I have to take a leak. Okay? I'll be right back. Make a leak. Come back. Finish video. Where am I going? He's gonna make a pee. It's okay? Make a pee right here. Okay. I think I need some help.
Auzi? Crezi că o va... A? Nu știu. Da, tu crezi că o va...
Auzi, băiete, ia.
Auzi? Crezi că o va...
Crescova. Vodka, nu glumă.
Well, that went about as well as expected. Thank you for the help. Son of a... Wait. Whoa. Why is the camera here? What is this? Hello. Wait, we move and make a camera. We put the camera in wrong position. I don't know what the hell they're doing. Where was it? Were we here? What is this? What is this? Hey. Oh, this. Here. No, there. Over here. Right here. Oh! Everything is good. Look at this. What is this? Hey! Hey! What is this? I'm not there. Oh my God! Oh, wait! Time for a cinematic, high quality camera make a move. Ready? There we go. That, oh, there, here, up, no, up, there, over, there, turn, what, wait. Ah, proper framing, beautiful. What is this? Hey! We supposed to wrap up, go home. Man, I need more pill. I need to take a pill and a whiskey. Very good. What is this? No. 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 Bush. Bush. Bleep as much as you want to make a beep, beep, beep. Bush. You want to see? Look at this. Oh, look, everybody. It's a Setme C308. Coincidentally, in a 308 car. Oh, this mask. He's very hot. He's not hot. He's very hot. Not hot. He's hot. What is this? What am I supposed to do with this? What? Shoot? Are you crazy? Hey, stupid. Huh? You notice? Huh? Separate shoulder? Not good. What is this? Make a shoot? Make a you. I know shoot. No, I know what? How much? Make it 200. Okay. We're gonna make a shoot. Hold on. Be right back.
Treziți-vă, șoferi! Bunii mei, a fost o glumă. O glumă, dar oferta OmniaSig este foarte serioasă. RCA la un preț excelent și cadou, asigurarea locuinței. Cea mai tare ofertă OmniaSig. Și eu mi-am cumpărat asigurare RCA de la OmniaSig. Da, bunii mei, sunt eu, Mircea Albulescu, și vă sfătuiesc să faceți ca mine.
And we are back. Okay. Here we have the beautiful Satme 308 in a 308 caliber 7.62 about 51. Very exciting. It's not a good day to be right-handed. Look, here we have a magazine, the beautiful 20-round magazine. One round, that's it. One round. No more. No more, one round. Let's make shoot video, shall we? Okay. Very exciting. It's a Spanish rifle, very good, very spicy. Yeah, maybe medium. Okay. Here we go. Let us load. Make a load. Very good. Oh no. Oh. Fuck it. Off. Mother. Okay. I'm going to need a little. What we're gonna use. We're gonna cheat a little bit, okay? Oh, very good, very exciting. Always fun for make a shoot. What is this? Look, thumb is cut. Oh, I can't shoot that. Take it off. Okay, here we go. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I should have took the pills before I came. Ah, yes. Whoa, very, oh, God. Very exciting. Look. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I always love to make a shoot a new weapon on the channel. Oh boy. Okay. Finger off trigger. Always safety. Me, not so much. Smack my bitch up. God damn. Thank God I have a shooting bench. Anyway, you ready? I'm ready. I'm so ready. From safety, off safety. Well, you only live once. Here we go. Make sure my air hole is in the right spot. I think I'm going to be breathing pretty heavy very shortly. Here we go. Okay. Oh, can't wait. Can't wait. Yes, I can. Oh, okay. Perfect. Oh. Look. No chicken wing today. Very good. No. Oh boy. Here we go. Are you ready, boys and girls? I'm not. Okay. I can't even see the. Oh wait. On this side. Flip it. Whatever. Okay. Wrong one. Oh, so good. Ready? Here we go. That's our video for today. Oh, very exciting. I'd like to thank you all for coming to make watch video. Very good, rifle. Join us next time. We have many more excite for you. Thank you.